We all live by the choices we make. For me, that could be trusting someone with my car, my instincts on the open road, or trusting the choices of others. Trust. It's a powerful thing.
Alright, good evening everyone. Jongo here. Ang daming nagtitext. And welcome to the Purple Sector. And we are very happy to be back. Sorry, last week hindi po kami nakapag-live. Watch along. It was really a very busy weekend. But today we're very happy to say that Tifosi fans, finally, we got the win that doon pa talaga sa home court, kumbaga. Anyway, Andy, let's start the ball rolling with Andy. Andy, how are you?
All right. Good evening sa lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are and whenever you are watching this show. Welcome once
Yes.
again to the Purple Sector. And yes, what a fun race that was. If you are wearing a certain shade of red for
Yeah.
today, I don't blame you. I wouldn't be surprised. Scuderia Ferrari, Forza
Yes.
Ferrari, panalo
Yeah.
na naman Leclerc. So well done to the team in red. But yeah, we are gonna get into that and a whole lot more. So let's get to it.
All right. Miles, kumusta Miles?
Well, good evening guys. Good evening sa lahat. It's 7 minutes past 8 o'clock and thank you for joining us for another post-race chikahan with your F1 Titos. And before tayo Jong, sana hope everyone is safe.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Dahil medyo binagyo yata yung mga pamangkin natin
Yes.
sa Luzon. So, hope everyone is safe dyan. Mukhang maulan pa rin ngayon eh. So, kaya nga. So, just be safe. Tapos, and hope you stick with us for this Tuesday night as we talk about what happened last weekend on the Temple of Speed.
Yep. All right. Yam. How are you, Yam?
Okay, yes. Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of the Purple Sector. Tonight, we will be talking about the Italian Grand Prix. Grabe, maganda yung karera na yun, and maraming nagtatanong kung bakit hindi tayo nakapag-live nung Sunday. Well, unfortunately, there was an activity, very hectic yung schedule last weekend. Kaya hope to see you soon. Baka meron tayong mga free time so we can do the live watch along once again.
Yes.
And I hope all our pamangkins from the northern part of the Philippines, sana okay lang kayo dyan. The typhoon is there. Paalis na yata or pero maulan pa din. So ingat kayo. So yun. All right.
Yun, of course. Thank you, Yam. And of course, aside from that, we also going to inform everyone most of the prizes that everybody won last week are still here, no? So hindi namin pinadala because we wanted to get this one para isang padalahan na lang. So antay-antay lang ng konti. And aside from that, I think Yam Boy is gonna give out 2 prizes tonight. Yam, ano yung mga prizes mapamigay for what contest did we did for the prizes tonight?
Okay, first we have the 4 picks forwards. Yan yung mapapanalunan ninyo.
Oh,
The Purple Sector keychain.
yes.
4 picks forwards
And
through the messenger, and of course yung ating
Larnyard.
limited edition lanyard.
Yep.
Mananalo niyan is yung mga nakaguess
Ng driver.
nakaguess ng hindi, yung nakaguess ng
Prediction.
prediction
Yes.
for the race.
Yes. Yep. Yun. There we go. Of course, before we proceed for the analysis, medyo puno na yung ano natin. Puno na yung ating comment section. Carlos Conrad Calora, Las Vegas, sana merong watch along. We still have to check on the time. Shaira, good evening. Ferrari fan na ako ulit. Yes, alam natin yan. Ayun, Justin Dominic, masaya din kasi Ferrari yung nanalo. Carl, belated happy birthday kay Carlos Sainz. Oh, tama pala. Happy birthday, Carlos Sainz. Last Saturday ba yun? G.
Yeah, on Sunday,
Bautista.
on race day.
Yeah.
Race day
Race
talaga.
day, birthday niya, yeah. That last Sunday is a Tifosi Day win at Monza. At Kota. Kota? Anong Kota?
Circuit of the
Ano,
Americas.
Circuit of the Americas.
Circuit of the
Nanalo ng
Americas.
Pilipinas.
Okay. Okay, Paulo Lim, yes, good evening. Bounce back Ferrari. Shout out Davao Import Tuners Club, Paulo Lim. So
Good evening.
Yeah, CC Sainz, bounce back Ferrari. Yes, maraming masaya ngayon.
Magandang gabi.
Maraming masaya ngayon Oh.
Oo.
Sige
Hindi,
daw.
ganito Jong, ganito Pagka nanalo yung ibang drivers, okay lang. Congratulatory posters, yung mga ganon, maganda, di ba? So,
Oo.
all over social media.
Yes.
Pero
Given
pagka
na,
Ferrari
given
pero pagka Ferrari ang panalo, parang I almost want to report myself safe from all the congratulatory posters on social media
Iba.
kasi grabe
Iba.
ganun kadami ang fans ng Ferrari, di ba? All over the world. Kaya congratulations,
Yes.
buti na lang at sa Monza ginawa. Sa Monza
Yes,
ginawa
yes.
ni Charles Leclerc
places,
yung
no?
kanyang panalo
Ganda.
of all places.
Ayun. Ito si Justin Dominic Villalon. Miss na daw niya yung Dutch anthem. Magra-rant daw siya mamaya sa sa McLaren. Okay. I think Yamboy was able to, grab some few insights on what really happened to McLaren and what really happened to Ferrari as well na yung gamble nila nag-paid off. Right? Yeah, we have to
we
discuss
can
that later.
explain that further,
Yeah.
discuss that further mamaya as we go along with the analysis. Kasi, yeah, it was a gamble. Una, di ba, parang medyo, it was a big question mark bakit. However, the gamble paid off. So, yun, galing. Okay
Oh,
siya.
look at this. I just want to share. Car 16 pit at lap 16.
Ito ba yan?
16, race 16 and cross the line at 16.16. Italian time. Really? 4:16 in the afternoon?
Really?
Oh, this is... Wow. Si Sainz
Really?
ang nanalo. Yeah. All right.
Who is
So,
car 16?
ha? Tama
Who is
ba?
car 16?
Yeah. Sinong car 16?
Charles Leclerc. Leclerc.
Charles Leclerc.
Leclerc.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Oh.
All right. So,
Charles,
Okay.
Key
let's
Leclerc.
start with our analysis. Yam, let's go.
Jong,
Up, Yam.
Okay. Si Miles
Madali.
muna, Miles.
Yam?
Miles.
Ano Yam? Miles.
ate, gito lang. Before, sabihin ko sana na, don't forget to share
Oh,
yung
yes.
feed natin
yes,
ngayon.
yes,
We
yes.
are live. Sino mga kasama natin na F1, kilala nyo na F1 fans who love to share in our discussions, feel free to share this with your
Yes,
friends.
please.
And also, if you're watching in Facebook or in YouTube, feel free to comment down below and we'll gladly answer them, we'll gladly discuss them. Kung ano yung
Yes,
sabihin.
definitely.
Okay, so yung
Okay.
analysis time tayo. Let's go.
Share po
Alright.
ninyo. Thank you, Miles. Wow,
Okay, so
very red.
Formula 1 Pirelli Gran Premio di Italia 2024, August 30, 31, and September 1. Qualifying, okay, ito yung nangyari, Jong. There was this unsafe release from Oscar Piastri. Kamuntik na sila ni Max Verstappen nagkasabitan. And after the qualifying, they were called by the stewards. Nag-explain si Max, nag-explain si Piastri, nag-explain ng engineers ni Max, nag-explain ng engineers ni Piastri, and they found out na it was not it doesn't merit a
Penalty.
grid penalty.
Yeah.
A grid penalty. However, it was a financial penalty of 10,000 euros
Oh.
yata.
10,000
Well,
euros? Oh my God.
So well, anyway, that's
Panalo.
it. Kung sino makabigay sa amin in peso ng 10,000 euros in peso, if you can convert that, you can do it on the comment section. Okay, anyway, sa Q1, eliminated si Sonoda, Lance Stroll, Colapinto. Okay, Colapinto is an F2 driver who Williams got to replace ASAP, to replace Logan Sargent, the only American driver for this season. So na-replace ni Colapinto. Colapinto got eliminated, and Bottas and Joe. Anyway, mas mabilis pa si Colapinto kaysa sa dalawang sober, no?
Sober.
Kick
Sauber,
sober.
yes. Kick Sauber.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, Q2 eliminated naman si Manong Alonso, Daniel Ricciardo, Kevin Magnussen, Gasly and Ocon. Medyo racy ang dalawang Alpine. They were improving their time. However, it was not enough to survive them for the Q3. And then eto na naman, Jong, another unsafe release from Carlos Sainz, the birthday boy. Kamuntikan na sila dito, pero pag tingin mo sa replay, actually si Max ang hindi nagpreno. Kaya napunta si
okay.
Max dito, kaya iniwasan niya dito. Kasi malayo pa si Max pagpasok ni Carlos. Kaya si Carlos, kung makikita ninyo, si Carlos nasa ano na talaga, nasa kalye na. Tapos umiwas ito kasi dito pa lang banda hindi niya nakita ito. Para siguro he was so busy adjusting the gadgets on his steering wheel. So walang violation na ginawa dito. So another close call from Red Bull and Ferrari on this episode right here. And then, okay, another P1 finish for Lando Norris followed by Oscar Piastri. Ang saya siguro ni Oscar dito, no? Kung hindi siya P1, masaya siya sa P2, wag lang siya mag P3. Kasi pag
Yeah.
P3, nasa likod siya ng teammate niya, di ba?
Yeah.
Anyway, Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri, George Russell, Charles Leclerc, Carlos Sainz, Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, and Sergio Perez. Okay, the two Red Bulls are 7 and 8 consecutively. And then we have Alexander Albon. Nabawi niya yung kanyang disqualification back during the Dutch Grand Prix. Tama ba? No? Dutch Grand Prix yung last natin. And then, he was 8 on that, pero na-disqualify siya. And then, buti ngayon nakabawi siya. He's 9th. And then, Nico Hulkenberg, 10th. Okay, Carrera. Aba, dito parang bumawi na si Lando Norris dito kasi siguro
Yum.
nakantsawan siya nung... Bye.
Yan, sandali na. Before we go on to the race, meron lang akong gustong i-share. Okay.
Sige.
This came like an hour ago. And ito lang, news lang to. Pwedeng yung i-discuss. Let's discuss this afterwards. Tapos kung meron kayong gusto, comment nyo lang. Pag-usapan natin mamaya. Okay. This just an hour ago. FIA declares all 2024 front wings are legal after clarification sought on McLaren and the Mercedes na designs. Kasi may ibang teams na kung legal ba yung ginagamit nila ng front wings. So, this just an hour ago. FIA declares that all wings, hindi lang McLaren, all teams are pasok sa legality ng usage of their front wings. Yun lang yun.
Ang regulation. Okay.
Konting intermission. Thank you.
Okay, dito siguro masyadong na pressure na si Lando Norris dun sa 4 picks forwards natin na contest.
Lap 1.
Lap 1, turn 1. Yan talaga ang problema ni Lando Norris. Anyway, bumawi siya. Aba, ito, ang ganda ng launch niya, di ba? Tira kagad niya. Nauna siya sa teammate niya. And then dito, we see how the Wonder Boy, Mr. Piastri, really took it very seriously to defend against here
George
George
Russell.
Russell.
George
Yeah.
Russell.
Pagdating dito, kita mo, nasa inner pa siya, tapos biglang lumabas dito and binlock niya si George Russell pagdating dito. So si George Russell walang nagawa kasi habang mabilis yung takbo nila from here, pagdating dito, brake siya. So, makikita mo on board on George Russell's car, ang bilis na ng dating ni Piastri. So, wala na siyang nagawa, kundi iwasan si Oscar Piastri and took the
Escape
ano ba ito,
road.
sa safe side. Yeah.
Escape
Run
road.
off.
So,
Escape.
escape route, no? Tama. So, dito, yan, maganda na ang takbo ni Lando Norris dito. Medyo kumpiyansa na siya. Okay, this is mine. Okay na. Clean air, nasan ka na. Tapos, dito, anticipate niya siguro si
Russell.
George Russell na baka mag-rejoin ng race unsafely. So, kaya medyo ingat siya. Hindi niya alam naka-attack na pala si Oscar Piastri. Ina-atake na siya ng kanyang teammate. And pagdating sa turn na ito, wheel-to-wheel na ang dalawang McLaren and eventually Oscar Piastri is here and dito si Lando Norris. So, Lando Norris was surprised kasi nandiyan na yung teammate niya and eventually Oscar Piastri was able to take Lando Norris and nakita lahat ni Charles Leclerc yung nangyayari dito sa dalawa. So pagka ganon, kasi dito dumulas pa ng konti si Lando Norris. So pagka ganon, you have the opportunity for that opportunistic move. Ba, kumbaga.
Opportunistic move.
Opportunistic move. Alam mo yan, yung parang
Yeah, he lost
opportunistic
control.
move.
Actually, he lost control a little bit that nawala yung momentum sa kanya. Kaya, naka-momentum si
Hindi siya
Charles.
nakabawi kaagad.
Hindi siya nakabawi
Hindi.
agad.
Ang tawag niyan, Jong, na ano si ano, kung sa Bisaya pa, nakuratan si Lando Norris.
Yeah.
Okay, nabigla
Nagulat,
si Lando
nagulat.
Norris.
Nagulat.
Nagulat,
Nagulat siya,
nabulantang, ano ba bang synonym yan? Okay, nabulantang siya. Hindi niya in-expect that Oscar Piastri would invoke the papaya rule. And yun
As
na.
early as
Well,
turn 1, 2, 3.
or-
Turn 4.
4. Turn 4.
Papaya rules. Yeah.
Papaya
Okay,
rules
okay.
kagad.
Oscar,
We'll get into
Oscar
that.
Piastri invoked it, diba? No, so nabigla si ano, nabigla si Lando Norris. That's
Lando.
why Charles took the opportunity na, well, the rest was history.
Yeah.
I-inform na natin si Jong. Jong, meron ding bagong narinig during that race, ha?
Oh,
It's called the papaya rule.
yun na nga. Ano yung papaya rules?
Oh. Okay,
Discuss natin mamaya, Jong.
Sige.
Yeah. It's a rule
That-
na
mamaya.
kung paano sila dapat magkarera, alam mo 'yon. So baka nag-setting na sila kagad ng ruling 'yan. Madali lang daw 'yan eh. Every race, bumibili sila ng papaya sa market, buksan nila tapos they will listen to the papaya kung ano yung sasabihin.
All right.
Anyway, see this, ladies and gentlemen, this is what is called the opportunistic move. Siyempre, kailangan mong mag-invest dyan kasi it's your opportunity na to take the racket of one of the McLarens, di ba? And pagdating dito, nakuha na nga ni Charles Leclerc and you can really hear the roar of the tifosis on this racetrack, no? Pag-atake na ni Charles dito and dito tuloy-tuloy na itong McLaren Ferrari. Medyo bago sa paningin masyado natin ito, hindi pa tayo sanay kasi usually blue cars,
Green.
blue,
Mercedes.
black, green, silver, ganyan.
Yeah.
And there in
May
the
green na
background,
green,
Jong, si Mercedes-Benz.
Yeah.
Wag yung
Akala ko
yung isang green na nakalimutan ko na.
Nakalimutan ko na ano yung green na yun.
Aston Martin.
Eh,
Anyway,
Jordan?
dito dito sa background na
Jordan.
ito nagkaroon ng dust. Akala natin yellow flag, red flag, or 'di ba? Sayang yung momentum ng dalawang McLaren. Pero ang nangyari pala dito is here. Nagkaroon ng contact si Daniel Ricciardo and this one is Kevin
K-Mag.
Magnussen.
Yeah.
Kevin Magnussen, nagkaroon sila ng contact dito. Kaya Kevin Magnussen napunta dito sa dirt. And that is why nagkaroon ng
Take note.
grabing dust dito na area na ito.
Take note, the recent Grand Prix we saw the battle. This is the first among many battles between Haas and V-Carb, di ba? Pansinin nyo, maraming incidents between Haas and V-Carb during that race. So, ito yung number 1. Take note yan, Jong.
Ito, number 2. This is Hülkenberg and Yuki Tsunoda. Nagkaroon ng contact dito. Okay. Before that, the V-Carb of Daniel Ricciardo, and also Daniel Ricciardo was given a 5-second penalty.
5-second penalty, yes. Tama.
Yeah. And then pagdating naman dito, 10-second penalty yata nabigay kay Hülkenberg dito. Nagkaroon ng contact, and
Tinamaan.
si Yuki Tsunoda tinamaan ang kanyang gilid
Side part.
that forced him to retire the car. First
Oh,
retirement
wow.
of the race.
Okay.
Oh, kawawa naman, kawawa. Anyway, tapos ito naman yung bakbakan ni Perez and ni George Russell. Panandali ang saya para sa mga Red Bull fans. Panandalian lang, Jong. Kasi, alam mo na, our friendly Mexican talaga. Now, okay, at lap 15, sinabihan si Lando Norris, box to overtake Charles. Box to overtake Charles. So, yan. Medyo late na pag-inform sa kanya, kaya nakalimutan ni Lando na very, very short lang yung entrance na kung kailan ka mag-limit na ng speed mo. Kaya nag-lock up siya dito ng grabe and natamaan pa niya itong barrier na ito. And then after that, lap 16. Oh, ito yung sabi kanina ha. Car number 16 boxed at lap 16. Okay, check na natin yung dalawang trivia na yon. So nag-box siya, and Charles also questioned, bakit mo ako pinit kung na-undercut na ako? So dapat, 'di ba, ang gagawin ni Charles noon, banatan niya ng banatan para at least pag pit niya, hindi masyado malayo yung gap. Pero dito, after Lando Norris pit, pinit din siya ng team niya. So nag-question pa siya noon. Bakit niyo ako pinit? Parang ganun. So nagtaka siya kung bakit. Pero little did we know all over the world that this was the last pit that car number 16 will do for the rest of the race.
So, teka, so you're telling me, hindi alam ni Charles ang strategy nila? Ba't siya
Hindi pa
nag-question?
alam ni Charles as early. Probably
No, not at this
kasi
point, no.
probably kasi during the race the team were updating both Ferraris, no? They were updating both Ferraris na ito yung degradation ni Red Bull, ito yung degradation ni McLaren. Ingat ka dito sa turn na ito, push ka dito sa straight na ito. Inalagaan talaga ng Team Jong. The strategy was really right. Kaya nakaka-proud ito. This is a proud moment for all the Scarlet Ferrari, the Scarlet Car fans talaga.
Tifosi.
Magaling.
Jong.
Yeah.
Jong, ganito. Jong, ganito. Ang Imola kasi right now, bagong resurface ang kanilang tarmac.
That's right.
Okay? Tapos, they still don't have enough data with the new track on how the tires behave. Okay? All cars started with mediums except for Red Bull, who started with hards.
Hard.
So, pinag-aaralan pa nila how the hards behave on those from lap 1 until the mid on the time na kailangan na magpalit ng mediums. So, yung strategy ng Ferrari, just like any other team, is paiba-iba, di ba? Just like before, Jong, parang chess, kung ano yung galaw ng isa, di ba? Counter, you need to defend and you need to attack. So, need to counter-defend, counter-attack. So, yun na nga. Well, anong lap na tayo? Ganun pa rin, Jong, eh.
Lap
Even
16.
if we could hear, afterwards, tinatanong na rin yung ibang teams. They are asking their drivers if they can do one stopper. Diba? Nangyayari yun nung ano na yun. So, yung time na to, unang pit na reklamo ni Charles, ba't nyo ako binox? Diba? Yes, hindi pa clear-cut yung strategy talaga ni Fred and the team kung ano talagang gagawin nila.
Alright.
Considering yun
Parang
sabi ko,
busy.
fresh tarmac, fresh tarmac.
Parang busy na ang comment section natin, Jong.
Oh.
Tingnan muna natin.
G, new track surface. Yep. Yun na nga, no? Kakasabi lang ni ano. I think
Miles.
this is the overtaking maneuver of Seb, the new Seb Vettel. Yan ang bagong bata namin. Alright.
Aba!
Oy, Paulo Lim, PGM Collectibles, how are you daw? Ay, ito. Justin Dominic Villalon, Visa cash up buy one take one Red Bull versus Haas. Ganun talaga.
Nagkagulo sa likod eh.
Yes. So,
A mouthful.
Ayun.
Okay.
Ganda naman. Paulo, sali ka mamaya sa contest. Malay mo manalo ka. Ito, Jerry Gallios Gado, Monza is supposed to be one pit stop track. Resurface track and other factors made it 2 pit stop. How Leclerc made it 1 by 1 stop is a mastery and mystery. Oh, yes.
Very good, Jeric. Thank you very much for your input right there. Yeah, correct. Yeah, as sabi nga ni Miles kanina, wala pa silang data kung paano mag-behave yung mga tires nila. Kaya magaling ang ginawa ng Ferrari talaga. They experimented on the go. They experimented on the fly. And then, inalagaan lang nila, pag sa turn ganito, ingatan mo yan, huwag masyado. Mag-start ka na magpreno dito sa ano na to, ganyan.
Break
Para
plus 1. Break balance plus 1.
Break balance.
Pero,
para at least yung gulong maalagaan ba.
ito, yeah.
Kai Chin, good evening, ma'am.
Sir yan,
Maayong
sir.
gabi. Sir.
Good evening,
Maayong
Kai
gabi.
Chin. See you in Bacolod, Kai Chin, this weekend. Good evening sa iyo dyan.
Oscar is Kimi Raikkonen, not Vettel. O ba? Sige. Baba pa, Jong. Kayang pa magbaba? Meron question kasi dun sa baba eh. Sige daw. Yeah, Jared Cunanan, Aston Martin. Thank you. Nakakalimutan na namin yun.
In the second chicane. Yeah, Papaya Rules. Ayun. Ito, Paulo Lim. Yes, marami tayong Pirelli Cup. Basta magsali lang sa
Jeric Gallios, mahahabol pa kaya ni Norris kay Verstappen sa championship? Mamaya, Jeric, titingnan natin ang blow by blow ng points para at least you can see visually kung ano yung mga dapat gawin ng Papaya Boys, dapat gawin ng McLaren, dapat gawin ni Norris, dapat gawin ni Max, for the result of this season.
Yeah. Ito, sino sabi nito? What I did know, RB talaga nagrereklamo, nawala na.
Sa front wing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sabi kasi talaga ni Max Jong, he was already complaining about that during the first 3 races. Kasi kung makikita ninyo, yung unang karera masyadong mataas ang lamang ni Max from the second car, 'di ba?
Yes.
And then unti-unti very very close na. So parang yung balance ng kotse, yung may problema na sila. And they experiment before the Monza race, they experimented on their floors. Nag-adjust sila ng mga nag-tweak sila doon ng mga samples nila, kaya
Yeah.
si reigning champion natin is he wasn't able to finish P1 or even on the top 3 during
Yeah.
the qualifying, di ba?
All right. Kaichi,
Okay.
yes, good to know that. Kakalabas yun lang. Good to know that. Justin Dominic, I think Papyrus mean that if Lando wants to win the championship, he's going to have to earn it. Oh.
And he is going to have to count all the seeds inside that papaya.
Oy, teka, may papaya.
Problema
So,
baka
marami-rami
seedless,
rin yun.
baka seedless ang papaya na nabili
Yes,
nila.
oo nga.
Iyan ang problema.
All right, let's move on.
Okay, dito naman, Jong, Kevin Magnussen was given a 10-second penalty for having a collision with another car. And sadly, this 10-second violation by Kevin Magnussen, na he earned 12 minus 12 points sa super license niya. Kaya he will not be able
Inherited the
to
race
join.
ban.
He has a race ban for Baku. Kawawa naman.
Wow.
Oh, and then dito, this one, little by little, the McLarens were struggling with their front left tire. Sabi nga ni Miles kanina before we had the live show, because of the nature of the track, the front left tire talaga ang magsasuffer lagi, di ba, Jong? Dun sa mga
Yeah.
parabolika, dun sa mga chicanes na yon.
Tsaka high-speed chicane
Kaya-
dun. Oh.
Oo. Dito, instead of he followed the racetrack, this was an error on anong tawag nito? Lando Norris part. Kaya masyadong umigsi yung gap ni Lando and ni Charles Leclerc, 'di ba? Remember, Lando was able to overtake him through the box niya na early. So, he was trailed by Leclerc, and si Leclerc sinusundan si Lando mga 7 seconds and biglang nag 4 or 3 because of this error right here by the McLaren, and McLaren decided to pit Lando Norris na naman, and they ask Oscar Piastri, kaya natin ito? Kaya ba natin mag one-stopper? Can we do the plan A? Sabi ni Oscar Piastri na parang hindi. Kasi the same reklamo of Norris, sabi din ni Piastri na fried na ang front left tire niya. So, eto na nga. At lap 33, Norris ang unang pinit. Siya ang unang makakakuha ng gulong. And by here, Leclerc trails Piastri by 5.359 seconds. And then after that, eto, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, di ba, panandali ang saya lang ng mga Red Bull fans kasi right here, the straight line speed of Mercedes is talagang jet sila pagdating dito, kaya hindi na siya nahabol ni na-overtake na niya si Perez forever after hanggang the race. And we can see here, Piastri, box. So, eto na, Jong, box na siya. Piastri leads Leclerc by 5.433 seconds. Piastri magbabox. Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon siya ng delay ng 23 seconds and lalabas siya sa likod ni
Carlos
Sainz. So, ayan na nga. Piastri nandito, Carlos Sainz second, Charles Leclerc inaalagaan na niya. Pagdating dito, Jong, that's lap 40 already. We all know na hindi na magpipit talaga itong Ferrari, di ba? Alanganin na eh.
Yes.
This is for the win na talaga. Alam natin, this is for the win. And to all Sainz fans, if you saw the race, Sainz played a very, very big role. Pinahirapan niya yung dalawang papaya para at least si Charles makabawi doon sa oras niya. 'Di ba? So mamaya i-explain ulit natin yan. So dito, Jong, this is the attack of Norris. Attack ni Norris kay Max Verstappen. Hindi na pinahirapan ni Max Verstappen si Norris. Nakuha na ni Norris ang P4 from Max. And then, eto na nga, yan. And then after that, nakikita natin dito, Charles probably is spraying right here. It's 41 to 53 na lang. That's 41 laps na ang nakuha nila out of 53. So malapit na yan. That's about 10 more or less. Magta 10 na yan. Mga nasa 12 na yan eh. 12 laps to go. 12 laps remaining. And then, yan. Dito, pudpud na ulit ang gulong ng mga McLaren kasi pinahirapan nga sila ni Carlos Sainz ilang beses. And eventually, Piastri was able to overtake Carlos. However, Leclerc nagkaroon na ng 11.7 seconds na lamang from Sainz kasi si Sainz, kanya nang dinelay yung dalawang papaya. So, kudos to the birthday boy. Thank you very much. Teamwork talaga. Teamwork pays off.
Teamwork, no?
Of course. Oo. Tapos dito naman, na-overtake na ni Lando Norris si Carlos Sainz. Pero, kahit na Jong, kahit na fresher tires si Oscar Piastri, pero Charles Leclerc's gap from Piastri is consistent at right here. Hindi man lang maka-gain si Piastri ng kahit konti ng lapping by 1 second per lap, ganyan. Wala. So, makikita natin, Charles Leclerc, inalagaan niya na mabuti yung gulong niya in the middle of the race and dito, binanatan niya ng binanatan and he has the clean air and wala masyadong back markers, di ba, pag Monza, Jong. Hindi masyado,
it's a long
hindi
track.
masyado issue.
Yeah, it's a long
Hindi
track.
masyado issue ang back marker. Kasi kung nagkaroon ng back marker, magdi-DRS ka and then iiwas ka,
Yes.
mag-overtake ka. So,
Traffic.
lalong ma-pressure yung gulong mo. Pero thankfully, Charles had a very, very clean air all over. So, eto na yung mga...
Yeah.
Oy, Aaron Dakanay.
Aaron Dakanay, good
Magandang
evening
gabi.
sa iyo dyan. Jeric Gado, Red Bull problems because of Adrian Martin Lewis exit. Nag-exit na ba si Adrian Martin? Sayang.
Hindi pa
One-star
natin
si
alam.
front left ay wala ng grip. Okay. Aaron Dakanay, Sainz was really good in defending. Yes, that was we mentioned a while ago. Kudos to him, pa-birthday niya kay Leclerc. The pace of Lec did not drop so much. They just dropping 2 tenths down the previous laps. Fresh starts niya.
Constant talaga.
Yeah, constant.
Yeah.
I understand
Constant,
McLaren.
yeah.
Justin Dominic Villena, as the McLaren, why they're not prioritizing Lando? He has the best chance. Okay. Sige daw. Bakit hindi nila prioritize si Lando? They could have switched Piastri and Lando. Still, P2, P3 for McLaren after all. I think that's the papaya rule applied there.
Yeah. Papaya roll all the way. All day.
Okay, this chances
Is it
don't
time-
come every day.
Is it the right time na mag-discuss tayo ng McLaren?
Mamaya. Sige, pag-usapan namin.
Tayo lang natin. Sasagutin natin mamaya.
These chances come every day. Mathematically impossible na rin na makahabol si Oscar kay Max. Need talaga i-maximize potential season. No, yes. Buti na lang, hindi nag-underweight ang sakin ni Charles. Yes, that's the
Mamaya.
Yes. Paulo Lim, October 19 ang sunod na autocross sa Davao. Remember Vettel Weber on the early Red Bull, the malabong mangyari Lando Oscar.
Multi-21.
Yes, so back on track, swap
21.
position. Number 2, walang nangyari na swap position. Cos para Papaya rules.
Papaya
have
rules have two number one
drivers.
drivers.
Just
Yeah,
like
correct.
Alonso and Hamilton days lapping out.
Shaira.
Yes. I think it's not only
Iba.
that. It's also,
Iba ang Hamilton, Alonso.
Yeah, ano talaga yun?
Norris, Piastri ngayon. Iba.
Yeah. Na scrutinized ba Carnilec? Baka underweight din. Yes.
Relax, Jerry.
Relax.
Mamaya, i-explain natin mamaya. Relax
Pag-usapan
ka lang.
natin mamaya.
Yeah,
Sama pa
okay.
natin si
Pag-usapan
Kula
natin yan
Pinto.
mamaya.
Pag-usapan natin mamaya.
Yeah, proceed.
Okay, so this is Jong, lap 48 of 53, and probably all the tifosis around the world are celebrating already. Early celebration na kasi nga si Piastri, sabi nga natin, is nahirapan siyang habulin si Charles, considering Charles had an ancient tire on his car, di ba?
Yeah.
And then finally, woohoo! Forza. Grazie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you check the
Congratulations.
the time? 2 seconds lang, di ba?
Yeah, because last 3
2,
nagminor na si Charles, inalagaan na talaga niya ng mabuti yung gulong niya on the last 3 laps. Nakita natin from 8 nag-5 na, nag-4 seconds na ang gap. Magaling din si Charles kasi he has to survive. Survival mode na ang last 3 laps Kesa naman mapuncture yung kanyang gulong, problema na tayo, di ba? Kaya yun. Kaya
na-puncture pa siya.
Oo, kaya ang lamang is 2.676, pero Charles is a very very smart driver. He was able to nurse all the way his tire, and nagpasalamat din siya sa team niya. Probably the radio call between the driver and the engineer was very very busy. That the FIA or the media partner of the FIA wasn't able to catch any of the yung communications ba, Jong, yung sabi mo, pag
Bakit
nakarinig
kaya,
sila na...
Wala masyadong lumabas.
Kasi siguro, hindi, wala masyadong lumabas na communication. Probably they were also helping the team not to publish all the talks between the two the engineers and drivers. Kasi sige,
Unwritten
bigyan mo
rule
natin,
na yan, Jong.
diba?
Unwritten rule. Ayaw nilang maging George Russell. So, we don't need to instruct you guys. You know what to do.
Okay. Okay, so ito yung mga tanong kanina. Na-scrutinize ba yung kotse ni Charles? Baka sobrang underweight and whatever. Who saw the race? Di ba nakaparking na sa Parc Ferme ang dalawang McLaren, pero si Charles, he was still around the racetrack. Having that winners parade. Siya lang mag-isa sa racetrack. Inikot pa niya ulit si Monza. Probably because he was harvesting the marbles along the along the racetrack, the dirty side. He was all over the dirty side, harvesting marbles for him to make sure that the weight of his car still on the average, or still would be pasok pa sa rule. Di ba?
Tanong ko lang.
Unlike
Okay,
what happened to Spa. Oh, sige ba.
George
May tanong
Russell.
lang ako yan. Ito lang bigla lang kasi pumasok sa akin. Ngayon ko lang din Would the amount of fuel or the weight of the fuel matter? Kumbaga, alin ang mas mabigat? Yung mapupulot na marbles ni Charles Leclerc or the weight of the fuel that's left on the tank?
Yeah,
Kailangan
di ba?
na mag-merit sa kanya to go around the track again for 2 times.
Yeah. Probably they had enough fuel on board the car para at least, 'di ba, i-check din yan kung ilan na lang liters na tira after the race. Dapat may regulation din na at least may 1 liter plus ka pa.
Yeah.
So pasok din si Charles doon. Probably yung baterya nitong kotse na ito, chinarge siya ng chinarge para at least battery power yung along the way when he finished the race. Nag-save din siya ng fuel. So, Miles, probably he saved a lot of fuel because wala na masyadong grip yung gulong niya. wala na masyadong grip. So, pag wala na masyadong grip, hindi na masyado siya madikit sa kalye. So, ibig sabihin, nag nag-glide na lang siya, 'di ba, to the finish line.
So, inikot
Parang
talaga
ganyan.
niya
So,
one lap, one more lap?
Yeah, I think
yes,
he did
oh.
Ha?
I think he did two. I think he did
Sabi ko,
two.
He did two.
Sabi ko,
Hindi
ang
siya
tagal ni
in-stop?
Charles.
Hindi siya in-stop ng
Kasi,
FIA?
Hindi Jong, parang mahirap na kasi Jong because we are in Monza. 'Di ba, remember mo, the Monza is I think the only track or one among the few tracks that allow spectators to
Yeah,
go
to
on
come
the track
inside,
side
di
for
ba?
ano. Yeah, on the track side, 'di ba? They're allowed there, 'di ba? With all their flags and the buntings and the flags or anything or the streamers. But yun na nga Jong, I think people were so busy celebrating Ferrari's win on their home
Kalimutan.
ground.
Yeah, ito.
Nakalimutan.
Panoorin mo yung
Kasi
replay.
yun,
One
there's a
lap
replay
lang
kasi,
allowed
Jong.
after the race. Okay.
Okay,
Jared
that's
Gado.
But he did it slowly to the point that McLaren was already there and Charles is still absent from Park
Okay,
Firm,
okay.
di ba?
Yeah, one lap. Just one lap, mabagal lang talaga takbo niya. Okay, okay. So, Shell V-Power yan eh. So, anong ibig sabihin yan, Carl? Matipid si Shell.
Carl. Last year pa yan, Carl.
Yeah.
Sneaky hack. Sneaky ni Carl.
Okay.
Nakapasok pa yung comment niya. Nasabi pa ni Jong.
Alright. Sige, go, Yam. Patuloy.
Okay. Sige. So, and nakuha pa ni Lando Norris ang fastest lap of the race. Alright. So, at least naka-harvest pa siya ng 1 point pa. And
Yeah,
then,
additional point.
eto na nga. Panalo, Charles Leclerc, Oscar Piastri, Lando Norris, Carlos Sainz, then Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen 6, George Russell 7, Sergio Perez 8, Alexander Albon started 9th, finished 9th, Kevin Magnussen 10th, tapos fastest lap
One
Lando Norris pa din. Yeah. Okay, eto na yung
And
mga
that's after
puntos.
na ng penalty yan, di ba? Yung kay K-Mag.
Yeah.
He would have finished higher kung ano.
Mm-mm. So Max
Tama ba,
Verstappen,
diba?
Red Bull Racing 303 points. Followed by Lando Norris 241. So ilang points na lang. Konti na lang 'yan, 'di ba? Mathematically around
62.
by
62.
by 2 to 3 races kaya na niyang habulin. And then Charles Leclerc 217, Oscar Piastri 197. So, yeah, malabo na. Hindi na natin mahabol konti. Pagdating sa Constructors, Jong, ito 8-point lead na lang si Honda
Yan ang malapit.
RB
Yeah.
from McLaren
Mm.
Mercedes.
Yeah.
Unahan na yan.
However, Ferrari is still in the game.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
407.
Three-way battle.
Oo, three-way battle ito. Konting
Ano,
mali
wala.
lang ng McLaren dito, baka mas mahabol na ni Ferrari. Hoping that Ferrari, the team who's been throwing all the races a few years back is now, a very different team from way
Yes.
I have
back.
let me share something, guys.
Okay,
yeah,
sige.
Let me share something. Balik tayo dun sa constructors.
Okay.
Yan.
Yan.
Ito, na-mention nyo kanina, di ba? Konting mali na lang ni McLaren pwedeng ma-leapfrog ni Ferrari yung Constructors Championship, di ba? Considering next race would be Baku. Baku is a street race. Singapore
Yeah, tama.
is also a street race. Konting kembot lang, Singapore na. And who won the street race earlier this season? Diba? It was Charles. So, pwedeng, natin yan. Diba? Pwede natin,
However, Miles,
mabuhayan ang mga
however,
Ferrari fans.
yeah.
Yes.
May
However,
caveat.
Ferrari fans, let us not forget, Baku is the worst nightmare of Mr. Charles Leclerc.
Yun ba yun?
2016 ba yun?
2021 he hit the wall. 2022
21.
na over 2022, he hit the wall. 2023, na-overtaken siya ng 4 na kotse. So
Yes.
medyo mabagal ang Ferrari pagdating sa Baku. Pero
Sige lang.
hoping, we
May
hope
bago
that,
ano dyan. May bago
Yeah,
tayo.
we hope that we,
Baku is,
May bago tayong bago.
Baku is straight line pa naman. So,
Yes.
mm,
ewan.
Meron tayong
Sana,
bago.
sana.
Straight siya eh. Parang Monza rin eh.
Yes.
Mabilis
We'll
eh.
have
Diba?
we'll have a tagline for that for Charles.
Sige,
and
ano?
Charles fan.
ano ta?
Okay. Carl, pakinggan mo para to sa iyo, 'di ba? Charles Leclerc in Baku is redemption. So, yan ang ano.
Ba,
Yan
pwede,
ang,
pwede.
Yan
Sige
ang
nga.
battle cry
Ano,
natin.
kung manalo si Leclerc dyan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yan
Pag
ang
nanalo si
tawag
Leclerc sa
natin.
Baku, no? Oh,
Yes. Pero
pambawi
McLaren,
talaga.
I'm still a McLaren boy. Yun lang.
Siyempre, ako nga, Sergio Perez pa rin hanggang ngayon. Baka makalimutan ko na sila eh.
Si Jong busy eh. Busy. Busy si,
Sige, patuloy
busy
na.
si Hamilton.
Sige.
Still more
Patuloy na tayo.
Sergio Perez, no? Ano lang, before you continue lang, natawa lang ako sa comment ni Perez after the race eh, kasi napansin na nila na yun nga may problema rin yung kotse ni Verstappen, 'di ba? After the race. Natawa ako kasi sabi ni Perez parang we're in the same boat na daw. Parang yun na yung parang validation niya na, you see, it's not me, it's the car. Good luck na lang. Ano to, Red Bull. Umayos
Ito.
kaya.
Ito si Malcolm James De Castro. Didn't Leclerc have an engine failure in Baku 2022? Can someone, yes mate, ayun, G. Bautista.
Ano nangyari doon? Ayun.
Baku, baka
Okay.
naman. Yun.
Bako,
Baku
baka
na.
naman.
Baku naman.
Yeah, this
Kaya,
year is sorry.
this is a
Talaga may
very
history yan si
exciting.
Leclerc dyan sa Baku eh.
Now,
dalawang
kailangan
history.
Kailangan na mag-check.
Hirap na hirap siya talaga doon sa 20. Kailan siya doon na-overtake siya ng 4 na kotse, grabe. Kawawa naman. And,
Ayaw,
of course,
Ayaw rin ni Hamilton ang Baku.
yeah, who could forget the Hamilton Straight?
Yes.
The
Yes.
Hamilton Straight in Baku, di ba?
And the scream heard around
Yung
the world, yung sigaw ni Mark
napasigaw
Webber.
si Mark Webber. Ay!
Napa-oh si Mark Webber. Sipin yan.
Yeah.
Anyway, sige,
Alright.
let's finish this off.
Classic.
Okay,
Mhm.
expect the unexpected, tama. We really did have the unexpected on the recent race, no? So,
Out of nowhere.
Formula 1 Qatar Airways Azerbaijan Grand Prix. Anong time ito, Carl? 7 o'clock in the evening ba? September 13 to 15. So, abangan ninyo. I-check nyo lang ang Facebook page namin. If we have a live
Watch along.
watch along on that time. Maganda. Kasi dinner time yun, Jong. Probably we can watch live and at the same time doing barbecue, di ba? No?
We'll see.
drinking
beer.
I'll be in Cebu during that time. Tingnan natin. Sige.
Okay, eto na. Red Bull, 446 points. Ito yung panalo ni Red Bull. Bahrain, Saudi, Japan, China, Imola, Canada, Spain, and all this were done by one single driver lang. The single driver lang, Max Verstappen. Then we have McLaren, 438 points. Hungary for Piastri, and then for Lando Norris, Miami, and Dutch Grand Prix. Australia, of course, Carlos Sainz. And we have a new addition to Ferrari,
Mhm.
Monaco for Charles Leclerc, and the recently concluded Monza. And then, of course, Austria for George Russell and Silverstone and Spa for Lewis Hamilton. Okay, so that's it. Advertisement muna tayo.
Alright.
Let's hear
so,
from our friends.
Thank you, Yamnalysis. Nice.
Kolapinto na yan, Jong. Kolapinto na yan, di ba?
Anong kolapinto? Wala pa.
Kolapinto na yung advertisement.
No.
Bago-bago pa eh.
Alright. We'll
Okay.
just hear a few words from our friends in golf. Golf McLaren, particularly Bruno Senna. See you around. We'll be right back.
I'm Bruno Senna. I'm a McLaren automotive ambassador. So I've got a chance to come to Rough Road Collection, to be in the presence of such amazing cars, a dream come true for me. The feeling of nostalgia, it's actually quite incredible to see because the colors are very, very distinctive. All these McLarens behind me, I can definitely roll with that. It's a real privilege to be associated with such great brands. My family has great history with McLaren. I have a bit of history with Golf. I've already raced in a Golf liveried car back in 2013 and 14. So for me, it's almost like coming back home. I get the real sense of purpose to be associated with brands like these because they represent so much in motorsport and also in sentimental value for me. I've seen some of these cars racing on TV. They're extremely iconic. I have such great memories of these really cool cars going down Mulsanne straight, flat out, ingrained in my memory. So it's quite a moment for me to come and see all these things together. Well, the M8 original Can-Am car for Bruce McLaren, first raced in 1969, crazy power, much more power than the car should have, clearly. The association with Golf was already there from that age. The car obviously has a very cool concept of the rear wing stuck on the rear suspension instead of on the bodywork of the car, so a very clever idea. And when you think of how much technology has evolved since then, I bet those things are crazy to drive, man. The Golf livery is very classic, but at the same time it doesn't become old. It kind of fits in every race car, every road car, in case of the 720, of course. Everybody likes it. It's not one of those liveries that sort of fits one thing, doesn't fit another. When you have a sea of normal colored cars, the Golf livery really stands out. So actually, if you're trying to stand out, having some light blue and orange can really make you apart from the rest.
Okay, thank you so much, Gulf Oil Philippines. And of course, we all know that Gulf Oil is the OEM motor oil of all McLaren cars. So, aside sa racing, yun, commercial cars of McLaren. And of course, for Formula 1, it's Gulf Williams. So, magkaiba po yun just to give you a little background on why there is a Gulf McLaren and why there is a Gulf Williams Racing. So there we go. Thank you so much, Gulf Oil Philippines. Check out their Facebook page, Drive with Gulf Oil PH. All right, so I think it's time now for our question and answer. Teka, sagutin muna natin to. Singapore, 8 p.m. in the evening, 7 p.m. Aaron Dakanay, the King of Monza. Justin Villalon, Loki Ferrari, humahabol sa WDC. So it's a three-way battle. Abu Dhabi, medyo interesting kasi emotional, exciting ang race na ito. Yes, definitely. So, Baku would also be very interesting. So, as you can see, they're catching up. But of course, I think don't count out Red Bull, ha? Baka, sige kayo sabi, ma-miss niyo yung Dutch national anthem, bigla natin marinig dire-diretso na naman, no? So the fact they had a summer break and did not address shows the unserious of Zach Brown. Final 10 races, Lando should have priority since he's within striking distance of Max.
Okay. Let me answer that, Justin.
Yeah.
Ganito kasi, Justin, the priority of the team right now is not the Drivers' Championship, but the World Constructors Championship.
WCC.
So, second priority nila ang drivers. You know why? Because to avoid collision, to avoid problems, to avoid competition among the two drivers pa. So, medyo ingat pa sila dyan. Ang concentration nila and where the money is nasa World Constructors Championship and not the drivers. So, yun ang priority ng team as of now. Kaya, probably, I think, I agree with this arrangement. Ingatan nila yung dalawang drivers nila, wag mag-competition masyado, syempre. Kasi, dapat...
Papaya rule.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the papaya rule.
That's what papaya rules is about.
Yes.
You can race, you are free to race, but race clean. Very specific si Zach Brown dyan. He explained it after the race naman. Binigyan na ng
And
konting
Oscar
context yan.
Piastri followed the principal, di ba? Sinunod ni Oscar Piastri.
Malinis naman talaga yung ginawa ni Piastri. Nagulat lang talaga si Lando doon.
At
This
saka,
wasn't
let me also
expecting
add,
her. Pero malinis yun.
let me also add, tulad ng sinabi ni Zach Brown post-race na interview, sinabi rin ni Andrea Stella na if they're going to impose team orders, just like what happened in the earlier part in Hungary, and yung exact term niya is brutal, okay? And it also wrecks the racing spirit between their drivers. Yun na nga, which is iniiwasan nila. They don't want rivalry. Ayaw nilang di ba? They don't want a Hamilton Rosberg on their lineup. They don't want a Mark Webber and
Sebastian Vettel.
On their lineup, di ba? Yun ang ayaw nila. So, di ba? Pero yun na nga, let us on the other side naman ayaw rin ng mga sabihin natin backers ng McLaren, di ba? Na constructors lang makukuha nila, di ba? Gusto rin nila magkaroon na maging champion din yung driver nila at the same time get the constructors, di ba? So, yun na nga. I think hindi sa unserious yung si Zach Brown and Andrea Stella, but I think they're somehow in a dilemma
They're
right
managing
now.
number one drivers. Yan lang.
Yes. They're in a dilemma right now to please their drivers, 'di ba? Happy drivers, happy life.
Dalawa yung number one nila.
Their backers, 'di ba? Marami tayong sponsors 'di ba? And guys from the Middle East and everything, 'di ba? And also,
That's right.
'di ba? Maraming i-consider 'di ba? Shall we go for team orders and might hurt, 'di ba? Kasi pag once na hindi maganda yung spirit ng dalawang drivers mo, 'di ba? Magiging you know what happened to Nico and Hamilton and Lewis, 'di ba? Hanggang ngayon, 'di ba? Even though one is not racing anymore, medyo mainit pa rin ang dugo, 'di ba? So, yan ang iniiwasan. Diba? Yan ang iniiwasan. And we all know kung ano yung maganda, pag maganda yung chemistry between your two drivers, 'di ba? Tingnan mo nangyayari, 'di ba? Ito na lang, example ko na lang, back to McLaren. We could see DC and Mika, 'di ba? Ganda yung kanilang chemistry between the two, 'di ba? Even though medyo pinapaboran ni Mr. Dennis, ni Ron Dennis, Mika, that time. 'Di ba? Pinapaboran. Pero still, hindi rin nila pinapabayaan si David Coulthard that time, diba? So maganda yung nila. Diba? So yun na yung ng papaya rule. Need to race. But yun na nga, many people, many pundits, many fans are questioning bakit na pwede namang impose team orders, diba? Yung kung talagang habol ninyo is constructors and the WDC, di ba? Isn't it too late na parang ilang karera na lang? We are, kumbaga, lumabas na si Jose Marichan, di ba? So, bear na. So, ilang karera na lang bago matatapos ang taon. So, isn't it too late?
Yeah.
Pero still, mathematically, they can do it. Pero,
You can do it,
balik na sinabi ni Jong, baka bigla na lang natin marinig ulit ang Dutch national anthem, di ba? So, who cares? And that's what we like. I like this season right now, di ba? Medyo nabuhay ang season,
yes,
di ba?
talagang nabuhay.
Summer break and after the summer break. It's nice. It's
Sana,
good for the
sana
sport.
tuloy-tuloy,
Good.
no?
Yes. It's good for the sport, good for us, the fans, worldwide
Yeah.
because of that, di ba?
Yeah, exciting.
Okay.
Exactly.
Oo. All right, teka.
Contestant.
Senan, Martin Alejandro, Andrea Kimi Antonelli will be the race, yes, to replace Lewis Hamilton. I think that's already confirmed. Jerry,
And anong tawag nito, Jong? And George Russell was really very happy when they announced it kasi magkakaroon na ng sariling kotse si Kimi. Kasi during the pre-practice session when Kimi was driving Russell's car, talagang
Medyo na,
Sinabog niya. Sinabog talaga niya. It
One,
was,
1.5 lap.
sabi ni Toto Wolff, sabi niya, he apologized. Dapat lang talaga siya mag-apologize kasi he returned the car just like a Lego, just like a dropped
In pieces.
Lego. Sabi ni Russell, "Hay, salamat. May kotse na ito." And Justin Dominic
yung mukha ni Toto,
Jollibee pit stop of the race, Alpine 2.01 seconds, and JNT slowest one. Mercedes almost 10 seconds less front wing
Max
issue.
Verstappen yung JNT, ano ba yan? JNT
Yeah.
slowest.
Alright.
Ano 3 seconds lang
Here
yun.
we go.
Hindi ba
Okay.
6
sandali.
3
seconds?
seconds lang yung happen eh.
Si Carl
Mabagal talaga
sabi
yung
niya, Berna po pala, Tito Yan, pamasko mo may keychain and Heineken bag. Uy, wala akong promise sa mga nephews.
Siningil kaya.
Meron ako.
Mano po ni
Paulo Lim, tapos na po yung 4 picks and 4 words. It's not
Ayun.
this one. So the 4 weeks and 4 words competition or
Ito pa.
contest is
Dito,
hindi
Andyan
yung
pa.
meron ng sumagot, 'di ba? Hindi ngayon, hindi
Oh,
tonight.
may bago.
Oh,
May
malalaman natin yung 6 seconds if it's up.
Okay, ito, Paulo, make sure na mag-follow ka sa aming Facebook page. Doon ng mga announcement ng mga pa-contest natin.
Yep.
And yung Pirelli
Okay.
Cup na parang gusto mo kay Jong, pwede manalo ka with our contest.
Yun. Alright.
Facebook page lang, The Purple Sector.
Yam, ano to? Yam?
Yeah.
Ano
Okay,
to?
this is 4 picks, 4 words. 4 picks,
Ipakita
4
natin
words.
yung ano mo.
Maya na.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
nandito ngayon, pahinga muna pala yung ating wind tunnel ngayon, kasi wala tayong guess the driver. So, pahinga muna siya. So, nandito ngayon, there were 10 who messaged us for their answers, pero
Yun.
4 lang ang nakakuha ng correct. So, 4 ngayon dito, 4. Okay? So,
Ang dami pa naman yung message nun.
marami nag-message, pero yung iba, sabi, my answer for the 4 picks, 4 words, winner. Di ba? Gi-retype pa niya yung 4 picks, 4 words. Anyway, ang mananalo dito is the Purple Sector keychain and the Purple Sector ballpen. So, eto na. Yan. 4 picks, 4 words. F1 related term composed of 4 words that describes the problem of a driver.
Wow.
A certain driver.
Biglang
A
liko.
certain driver. Biglang liko. Okay. Number 1 picture, we have lap. Number 2 picture, we have 1. Number 3 picture, we have turn. And then, of course, Max Verstappen, car number 1. Okay. So, lap 1, turn 1 ang sagot.
Yun.
And ang mga...
Lap 1, turn
Tada!
1.
So, bubunutin
That's
na
the
natin
problem.
ngayon.
Teka,
Copy
lap
yan.
pala yun.
Ano.
Lap pala yun. Nakala ko naiihi. Hindi ba naiihi yun?
Ako nun, ang una kong isipin, catheter.
Lap 1, turn 1.
Nurse,
Okay.
Nurse na talaga. Nurse ka
Catheter one.
talaga.
We have a new win. We have a winner and a new liker on our page.
Wow, thank you.
Uy.
Michael Arsenio. Michael Arsenio.
Hey!
4 picks, 4 words, lap 1, turn 1. Yan.
Ayun.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Michael
Congrats.
Arsenio, and
Pakisend
thank
ng
you for
address.
following our page.
Pakisend ng address, Mike, para mapadala namin to tomorrow. This Thursday pala padala. Hindi pa tomorrow. Alright. Michael, send us your
Okay,
details.
and then ang second naman natin na pa-contest is for the prediction.
Yep, we're giving out this
Yan.
one.
Yan ang prediction. F1 Tito's Lanyard, limited edition. Okay.
Ganda.
May
Maganda
apat,
yun.
may 4 na nakakuha ng 2 correct answers.
Oh, congratulations.
Oh,
That's
'di ba?
nice.
We consider na pag nagkadalawang answer kayo, we already consider it as a winner. Pero 4
Wow.
ang nagkaroon ng 2 correct answers. So bubunutin
Wow.
naman natin ngayon. Dun, 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 dun.
Sayang, wala na yung
And the winner is
wala na yung wind tunnel.
Wala pa
Pahinga muna.
kasi hindi ako nakagawa ng ng driver. Guess the driver.
Okay lang.
Xander Briley.
Oh, a new one, Xander.
New, yeah,
Yes.
bagong pangalan,
He
bagong
got
pangalan.
Leclerc and Norris.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Wow.
Leclerc and Norris. Yeah.
Xander
Oh.
Riley. Yun. Congrats.
Yes, nice one.
Xander, please send us your
Yeah.
details, address and your phone number, and we'll send this lanyard to you.
Pero
Alright.
I mean ganito ha. Sige. Kasi siningil na ako ni Carl eh. Pero I'm really proud of this boy, si Carl. Carl, kung nakikinig ka, kasi masipag ito mag-share ng page natin eh.
Yes,
Si Carl.
Carl. Thank you, Carl.
Masipag.
Very active.
So Carl, ako na bahala sa iyo, Carl. Singilin natin si Tito Jong mo.
Ano yan?
Damay pala.
Through the initiative. Through the initiative of
Through the
Congressman
initiative of
Tito.
Tito Yam.
Alam mo
Alright. No worries, Carl.
Ako na bahala
Alam
si
mo,
Tito
No
Jong.
worries.
Oh, may regalo ka
Christmas
sa amin.
is just around the
Masipag.
corner.
Oh, masipag,
Okay, Carl.
masipag ito si Carl.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Carl.
much, Carl.
Alright.
Carl has been with us for how many seasons?
Wow.
And
Yeah.
Carl
Sumagot
is
ako.
special sa atin. He's a very special one to us.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
Mahal
Ah,
namin. Carl,
and
mahal
of
ka
course,
namin, Carl.
gusto ko nga.
Of course, shout out din tayo kay Shaira. Shaira Janina. Yan ang mga unang mga pamangkins namin who followed us. Di ba?
Yes.
So, thank you.
From
Thank
the
you very
start
much.
until hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa rin. Diba? So,
Nasa bike shop pa ako niyan kay Shaira eh. Nasa bike shop pa ako.
Yeah.
May bike shop pa ako niyan.
Paulo Lim, paano sumali? Pag post namin ng question, answer ka kaagad. Paunahan po ng sagot. Ganun po.
Itong ano.
Yeah,
Ay,
meron
may
pa.
Paulo,
mga
pwede.
pakulo naman tayo sa paid.
We're giving
Paulo,
out-
meron pa
the
tayong
office.
contest.
May contest
Meron
pa
pa tayong
tayo. Wag mo
contest.
nang
Relax
malis.
ka lang.
Sorry.
Oh.
May
Huwag ka
mga
mag-alala.
Q&A tayo ngayon.
marami
Don't
tayong
go
topic.
away.
Prizes all around.
Because
And
we're
Oh,
not
the
Justin,
season
oh.
is
going
not
away.
Nagsastudy pala ito si Justin ngayon. Tayo pala yung ano niya, yung background niya.
Justin.
Habang
Oh.
nanonood ng podcast, nare-review ng RD niya. Si VP at
Ah.
saka bladder irrigation. Madali lang yan!
Napuro ka kay Tito
Okay
Andy.
lang yan.
Tito Andy, magaling
Hindi,
ka
hindi.
Wag lang, ano, wag puro
Hindi, okay.
memorize.
Justin, ganito si Tito Andy is a nurse yan siya. However, si
Yes.
Tito Yam, medtech ako, medtech. Kaya kung may
Wow.
tanong ka din regarding na mga venous pressure na yan, just give me a text. Give me a call. Ako bahala sa'yo.
Oy, teka.
BBI pala yun, no?
Tito
Jared
Jong.
Kunanan. Umuulan
Tito
daw sa
Jong
Manila
at
na
si
naman.
Tito Miles. Oh, Tito Jong at Tito Miles pa nga pasyente.
Ah.
Tito Jong.
Ibang klase pasyente yan sa kanila.
Oh, yes.
Oh, love you too,
Love you too,
Carl.
mga titas. Okay.
Oh!
May regalo ka sa akin, Carl. Courtesy of Tito Jong.
Okay.
Carl,
Ah,
bibigyan ka namin ng produkto ng sponsor namin last year.
yes. Oh.
Yan. Marami pa yun.
All right. Yam,
Okay.
Andy, are we ready for our
Andy na.
question number 1?
Yeah.
You're gonna win
We are
this
ready.
Golf Williams Racing Cup. This is authentic from Golf Oil Philippines. Sorry,
Maganda
hindi pala.
yan.
Golf Williams F1 Racing. So we're
Maganda
giving
yan,
out
maganda
for
yan.
question number 1.
Okay.
Hirap ng DSLR, no? Hindi makita. Anyway.
Hirap
Alright.
focus. Sige. Simulan na natin.
Yep.
First question of the night. we are looking for a very specific name for a very specific track.
Name and track.
Question number 1.
Here we go.
This track was completed in 1922 and
Labas
it
ang
was
Google.
only the third permanent autodrome in the world at that time. Ang una was Brooklands sa England, sa Inglaterra, and Indianapolis sa Estados Unidos. Yun yung unang dalawa. So, ano ang pangalan? Ano ang kumpletong pangalan ng racetrack na ito? Na ginawa in 1922.
Wow, ang hirap naman to.
Ferdinand
Mahirap
Magellan.
to.
Ilabas
Mahirap to.
ang Google.
Complete name ng racetrack po ang hinahanap natin. Kai Chin! Ang bilis ni
Autodromo
Kai Chin.
Nazionale
Autodromo
Monza.
Nazionale Monza.
Galing
Monza la
ni
pala.
Kai Chin.
Yun. Kai Chin,
Wow.
well done.
Kai Chin, dami
Nanalo
kong
si Kai
utang
Chin.
sa
Yan
iyo.
po ang full name ng yan po ang full name ng Monza racetrack at Monza. Autodromo Nazionale Monza.
Isang balikbayan
Named
box na
after-
yung napanalunan ni Kai Chin. sa
Kai
atin.
Chin, kailangan ka pumunta ng Bacolod, ha? Kita tayo doon.
Yeah.
Daling ko to lahat.
Ayun.
Okay, Kai Chin, congratulations.
Congrats. Congrats. Well done. Yun na ang first question of the night. Meron pa tayong dalawa.
Next question, you
Medyo
get a
mas-
Pirelli Cup. There we go. From our friends
Ito.
from Pirelli. There we
Mabilis
go.
lang to.
Galing yan.
Mabilis lang to.
Maganda rin
Saka,
yan.
Thank you to our
Italian-
friends from Pirelli for...
Italian brand. Italian brand.
Yes. Magandang cup yan. Alright.
Okay
Question
lang,
number
Kai
2.
Chin. Padala ko na lang sa'yo to.
Question number 2. This driver scored his first point at Monza within in 10 years. So matagal na siya nagkumakarera. Ngayon lang siya naka-points ulit sa Monza. Very
Justin
Fernando
Dominic
Alonso.
Villalon, Kevin Magnussen.
Yun na, bilis. Well done, Justin. Okay,
Justin,
Max.
mag-study ka muna, Justin. Study muna, study.
Rationale ng CBI mo. Joke.
Oh,
Wag naman.
Okay, Jared,
Maraming
mukhang nahuli
pressure
ka
yan.
yata.
so tama.
Nakuha ni
Kevin
Justin. Nakuha na si
Magnussen.
Justin.
That
So,
was
Justin,
K-Mag.
Well
Isahin
done,
ko na lang.
Justin.
Isahin ko na lang lahat ng ano mo,
Sahin
Justin.
na lang yan.
Yeah, isahin ko na ng lahat. So, Justin Dominic Villalon, pang ilang Pirelli Cup mo na ito?
Isang balikbayan box. Isang balikbayan box.
Yeah.
Hindi, pero, Jong,
May
the
connection
Pirelli
yan.
Cup of Justin was signed by Bianca.
Oh,
diba? So,
tama.
Hindi niya magagamit yun.
Ano?
Papa-frame niya yan.
Display mo, display. Display lang yun, display.
niya.
Ano?
Pero yung iba, pwede mong gamitin.
Oh,
Pwede
special
mong
yan.
gamitin.
Special
Alright.
yan. Maganda yan.
Last question. This is
Alright.
the Ford Mustang livery, Golf livery.
Jong,
I want one of
yung
those.
diecast, okay. Content trivia, Jong. That diecast, 164 scale, was specially made for golf by Greenlight Collectibles. Greenlight Collectibles.
Wow! Greenlight
Greenlight
Collectibles.
Collectibles.
Alam mo talaga, ha? Sorry, hindi ko
Yes.
talaga
Greenlight
mapokus yung
Collectibles
camera ko.
is a
Yeah.
known brand yan for making good diecast models. Diba? Yung 164 scale. So that is
Ayaw talaga
official,
mag-focus ng... No.
official license yan.
Yeah,
That's a
official pala
diecast
talaga, no?
car.
Oh,
Yes. That's Greenlight.
that's neat.
Ganyan. Greenlight
Sorry.
Collectibles.
Dito-
Now, I
Kaya.
really want one of those.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yan
Pero
na,
mas
yung
gusto ko yung
video
hawak
ni-
ni Yamboy.
ni Yamboy.
Yan.
Maganda. Mas maganda yan. Na,
Alright.
Wala akong
ano pala yun?
wala ko sa
Ano pa
wala
rin?
ko sa garahe
Yung
ko
golf pa
kaya
rin.
wala akong mapakitang diecast. Anyway, next question.
Yung gold talaga. Alright.
Bruno
Well
Senna,
done sa
right?
ating mga winners
Ah,
thus far.
Yes.
Tama ba,
I know,
Bruno Senna?
Paolo, you like that. That's very limited edition.
Ah,
You can only have it here on the purple sector.
teka,
Kaya
may,
galingan mo, Pao.
wait.
Oh.
May joke si ano,
Oh, ano yan?
hindi ko nakita.
Justin Dominic.
Ah,
Baba mo, baba.
Bebenta
ko kay Boss Toyo.
Yeah.
Oh, may
Alright.
collection na eh.
Pwede.
Sige, go.
Sige.
Last question of the night.
Alright. Third question of the night para sa diecast Golf Ford Mustang, which I really, really do want. Anyway, third question of the night. Ito po. This constructor is the first in the world, in World Championship history, to win at the same venue 20 times. Sino tong constructor na to?
Oh, I know
20
that.
times in the same
I
venue.
know that.
I know that.
Carl
Beto.
Conrad Calora.
Well done, Carl!
Well done,
Nakuha kagad ni
Carl. Wow.
Well done!
Very good.
Congrats. Ferrari yan.
Alright, Carl, you have yourself a car.
Ferrari.
Yeah.
Tipin nyo, no? Ang tagal na pala ng Ferrari.
Pamasko.
Wala na yung pamasko. Justin,
Patay kayo dyan.
di ba si Justin Dominic Villalon yung nanalo nito?
Yes.
Oh, Justin, may ganito ka na, oh.
Hindi,
Okay na
pamasko
to.
para kay Carl.
Hindi, wala
Pamasko
bang
para
patay
kay
si
Carl.
Many more to come. Ano ba? Many more to come.
Pau,
Going to
very,
see our-
very limited yan. Limited. Sobrang limited yan.
Oh.
It's so limited that it's just limited.
Pang
Very
purple sector
limited.
lang.
Not for sale yan. That's not for sale.
Pang
And
purple sector
sobrang
lang.
limited yan kahit ako wala.
Yeah. Alright,
Oh, wala eh.
so Carl, padala na namin to sa iyo, Carl. There we go.
Yay!
talaga ni Carl.
Congrats,
Right, Carl. Grabe. Grand
Congrats.
slam si
Well
Carl.
done.
Siyempre,
Grabe.
tifosi yan eh.
May pamasko pa.
Mabilis
Oh.
na siguro yung internet niya.
Carl is a
Bumibilis ang
tifosi.
internet.
Alam niya
Limited
yung
because it's
sagot.
limited. Yes, tama, limited. Mabilang lang sa isang kamay yung ano nila.
Kaya ko. Pau, walang paiyakan system dito, Pau. Relax ka lang. Like our
Don't
page.
worry.
Follow
Don't
follow
worry,
our
don't
page.
worry.
We do have all
Marami
the
pa.
content every week.
Yeah.
Especially
Marami pang
now.
pakulo.
Especially now, ang karera natin in 2 weeks time. So just stay tuned sa The Purple Sector Facebook page. Marami tayong pamimigay doon. So
Yep.
no problem.
Yep. All right.
Marami
Alright.
pang many
Christian,
chances.
good evening. Christian, good evening sa iyo dyan. Thank you sa pitboard, Tito Yam. Yam, mukhang kailangan mo na padala yan dito para mapadala
Yeah,
na sa
yeah.
kanya.
Nag-order na ako ng ano nito, ng anong tawag nito?
Ang
Container van para dito. Container van.
Container bot. So, kompletong pit crew.
Yeah.
May
All right. So, next time na lang. Yes, Paulo, no worries. We'll see you next time. See you next race.
Yes. Many more chances. Many more chances.
Yeah,
Many more
maraming
chances.
chance.
We
Maraming
still have
chance. Oh.
ilang karera
Relax.
pa ba?
The season is not yet over. Diba?
Yeah.
We have plenty more. We have
Myself
watch
feels like a
alongs.
fast
We have post
Ferrari.
race.
Yeah.
Kwentuhan with your
Marami.
F1 Tito. Marami pa. So
Marami
marami pa tayong giveaways, di ba? Marami pang
Yeah,
pakulo
we
si
still have
Tito
a lot.
Boy
To give out.
sa ating Facebook page.
And
Alright.
every now and
na.
again, pag feeling generous, extra generous yung mga tito nyo, kahit ano lang yung, kahit yung mga nakiki-interact lang sa ating page, yung mga nag-share, nagko-comment,
Yeah, exactly.
di ba?
Yeah.
Minsan, sinuswerte. So, you never know. So, to maximize your chances, no, everyone, interact naman tayo doon sa page natin. Mag-like, mag-share, mag-comment kayo.
Yes.
Let's all have fun doon sa page kahit hindi kami live.
Litman
Hindi tayo live. Let's all have fun.
Di.
Kasi, yeah.
Uy, di,
Litman
palitman stethoscope ka daw.
Yeah, about that.
Mahal yan.
Kahit dito, mahal yan.
Mahal yan.
Branded, ha? Nakalitman.
Yeah.
Ano pa talaga, ha?
Isipin mo, we're nurses. We don't use Litman.
All right. So, guys, we had fun. I hope you had fun as well. So, we'll see you 2 weeks from now after the Baku race in Azerbaijan. All right. So, gents, before we go, Andy?
Yep. All right. Thank you, everyone, for joining us tonight for our show. Another fun show in the books after a really fun race. Very exciting. And yes, we will be back during the Baku race weekend hopefully we'll catch you all. Ano, may live viewing ba tayo during
I'm not
live
sure.
watch along tayo
Mukhang
niyan?
malabo. Mukhang malabo.
Abangan,
Sure pa?
abangan lang nila
Meron
sa,
yan.
abangan lang nila sa
Meron
Facebook
yan.
page natin.
Abangan nyo lang sa Facebook page natin. So, for everyone, all the shout out pala sa mga bagong pangalan no na ano.
Oh, yes.
Mga bagong
Hello.
pangalan
Good
sa
evening.
page natin. Welcome everyone. Thank you for following the Purple Sector, and hopefully we'll see you in our sa ating mga prize giveaways. Hopefully you guys will be able to join in the fun as well. Anyway, yep. So that's all for tonight. Thank you so much everyone for joining us. Hopefully, we'll see you next time. Until then, everyone, stay safe.
All right, Miles.
Okay, then tapos na naman ng isang chikahan ninyo with your F1 Titos, and thank you for joining us. Thank you for spending your Tuesday night again with us, and hope you guys had fun and learned something. Hindi natatapos ang chikahan natin. Tulad ng sabi, nasa Facebook tayo. Comment lang doon. Kwentuhan tayo doon. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.
All right. Thank you, Tito Miles. Yam. Tito Yam.
Okay, yeah. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. I hope you learned something, and if not, I hope you were entertained. And of course, exciting na naman kasi earlier ang Baco, 7 o'clock in the evening. So, yeah. Hopefully, we can do a live show, pero if not, you can enjoy it with your family or, you know, watch the live shows doon sa mga live viewing parties near you. And then, Carl, nag-text na si Jong sa akin. Sabi ni Jong, may burago ka daw. Atay ka bata. Anyway, thank you very much, guys, and congratulations to all the winners, and welcome to the family, all the new names na nakita natin kanina. All right, so yun, Jong.
All right. Tell your friends about it. Of course, share and follow the page, and for YouTube as well. So thank you so much for joining us tonight. Maraming salamat, and of course, congratulations to all the winners. So Tito Yam, Tito Miles, and Tito Andy, maraming salamat din for spending another great Tuesday with us. So we'll see you 2 weeks from now for the Azerbaijan Grand Prix. So guys, thank you so much, and good night, everybody. See you.
Five lights ahead of the drivers. It's Lance Stroll's car.